Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check the expended energy on the Google Fit application. Thereby you can see the estimate of your total energy expended while you were active during your session. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Now click on the third icon down below, tap on activity, which is the first option. Now scroll down to the data section till you find the energy expended section and click on it. Now, as you can see, there's a chart indicating the energy expended throughout your workout. If you scroll down, you can see the energy, the calories that you have burned during your workout. You can tap on this plus icon at the bottom of the screen and add an activity. Thereby the system will calculate the energy expended by giving the duration of your session, the distance, energy expended, and the steps. So you need to add these information, then press the button save, and then you will be able to keep track of your workouts and workout sessions by the help of this function. That's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.